air fryer onion rings. Today we're going to be showing you how to cook from frozen your favourite onion rings, whether they are battered or breaded. Hello, my name is Samantha, and along with my husband Dominic, who is behind the camera and also my best friend when it comes to the air fryer, we are going to show you today all about air fryer frozen food. We started using the air fryer way back in 2011, and in our first ever experience of using the air fryer, we actually cooked frozen chicken strips. Since then, our air fryer knowledge has moved on, but back in 2018, we were asked by one of our readers to try air fryer frozen French fries. We did this, and then we started a brand new trend and showing people that you can cook delicious frozen food in the air fryer. But quite often, frozen food has this kind of taboo attitude towards it. But even though frozen processed foods isn't great for you, it can still save you a lot more calories compared to serving food in the deep fat fryer. So I'm looking forward to sharing with you our frozen food recipes. I'm a total onion rings addict, so no wonder that today I'm going to be showing you how to cook frozen onion rings in the air fryer. In case you're wondering, you can use either battered onion rings or breaded onion rings. The battered onion rings taste much better than the breaded, and the breaded tends to have more of the breading that falls into the air fryer basket and makes it more difficult to clean. But it's personal choice which ones you prefer, and just know that you can use any that you want, or you can have used your own homemade ones that you've had placed in the freezer from a previous cooking time. You can also use any brand of frozen onion rings as well. I just got a cheap bag from Iceland, but any shop from anywhere will be fine. Then what you do is you open your bag. Sometimes, especially if you're using breaded, you can end up with a load of breading in the bottom of it, and what this does is it makes your air fryer messy and makes them stick together. So make sure there isn't any problems like that, and then just load your onion rings into your air fryer basket. You can do a full bag of them, or you can just do a portion for one person. You can also reheat your onion rings in the air fryer, which is fantastic if you've just had takeout. And then once you've placed them in the air fryer, it's time to turn it on. Place it in the air fryer, and then you want to turn it on. And for temperature, we are looking for 200 Celsius or 400 Fahrenheit and a cook time of 10 minutes. And then press start. Go and enjoy yourself and come back to warm onion rings. So the smell of onion rings is going through the mill in the house now, and I cannot wait until they're ready, and I'm counting down the seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we're done. So let's see how they look, shall we? So there you have it, perfectly cooked from frozen air fryer onion rings. As you know, we've used battered, but battered or breaded will still turn out the same. And you'll notice that you get a better crisp on the smaller ones, like these ones here and there, compared to the bigger ones, because the bigger ones normally take slightly longer, but they're still fully cooked and lovely. But it just depends on how you like your onion rings, doesn't it? So you want to pull it from the basket, get rid of any excess, and then they're ready to serve. And it's up to you what sauce you use. We're using Heinz tomato ketchup for ours, but barbecue sauce and mayonnaise is just as nice. In this video today, we have been using our Philips Air Fryer XL. Please comment below with which air fryer you use, as it would be nice to compare notes, and ask in the comments any questions you may have about this recipe that I'm sharing with you today. Because you are here, the chances are you want to learn even more about the air fryer and become more familiar with its capabilities. We recommend that you head over to recipethis.com and search mini course, and you will find a fantastic 5-day free mini course teaching you everything you need to know to get started with the air fryer. I'll also add it in the links in the description to make it even easier for you. And it's been a pleasure to share with you one of our favourite air fryer recipes. Thanks for watching. We have a huge collection of kitchen gadget recipes including air fryer, instant pot, slow cooker, soup maker and many others. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media. Best of all, join our newsletter at recipethis.com/newsletter. There we have plenty of printables, cooking time cheat sheets, free ebooks and mini courses to help you along your way in your kitchen gadgets journey.